Today we're going to be doing our secret menu item, the peanut butter and jelly milkshake. Now you see I already have about 9 ounces of vanilla ice cream, about 4 ounces of milk, and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter sauce. So once we get everything into our malt tin, we run it at full speed, full blend, for about 1.5 minutes. Now, if you're at home or you just want to go quickly, easy way to do it, just to hold your pulse button, hold it at an angle, get it until you have a smooth, even consistency on your product. It should look a little something like that. Then we're going to move into topping this into our full Oscar Moon's peanut butter and jelly shake. Alright, hit it. So, we have the base peanut butter shake mix that we did earlier. We have peanut butter sauce, strawberry preserves, crumb topping, and chopped peanuts. So what we're going to start doing is getting our preserves, setting a little bit inside of the cup, and you just kind of rotate the cup a bit. Get it spread around the outside for a jelly look. And you immediately take your tool, pour that shake mix in, and you're going to grab some whipped cream. Do a nice whipped topping floret. Then you get some strawberry sauce. Lay it over the top. Do a peanut butter crosshatch. Make sure you get nice even lines. A little bit of crumb topping around the outside, just on the edge, to give it that almost Wonder Bread look. Top it with some chopped peanuts. Grab yourself a lid, keep it contained. And there you are, peanut butter and jelly milkshake.